Teman-teman, pada tahun 2023 ini sudah memasuki bulan Februari. Kawan-kawan saya sudah ganti mobil yang baru semua ya. Saya tahun 2023 ini masih memakai Xenia 2006 ini, cuman ganti gardang belakang, ganti sok belakang. Gardang belakangnya tidak ada yang baru, terpaksa kami ganti dengan yang second. Tapi shock brakesnya kami ganti yang baru ya. Nggak dapat mobil baru, dapat shock belakang baru aja. Tapi turun merek ini dari Bilstein turun ke Kayaba. Karena di Medan kami cari yang Bilstein juga tidak ada ya. Yang merek lain juga yang Jamek tidak ada. Terus merek Mondro tadi kami cari tidak ada juga. Ya pokoknya ada berapa merek kami cari, yang dapat cuman ya Kayaba Ultra aja lah. Kalau untuk pemakaian saya lintas provinsi ini teman-teman, untuk 3 tahun mungkin kalau Kayaba Ultra ini pengalaman saya sudah memakainya cuman 3 bulan, 6 bulan ya, paling tahan dulu. Kalau untuk ini mungkin insya Allah setahun ya, karena muatan saya udah saya kurangi ya.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out.
Teman-teman, tadinya mobil Xenia ini cuma ganti gerdang aja, ternyata kena shock belakang ya. Ini saya dulu pakai Bilstein, tapi lantaran di sini tidak ada barangnya. Nah, ini sebenarnya nggak terlalu apa ya. Saya tadi juga mencari merek Bilstein ya, tapi tidak ada barang. Terpaksa untuk sementara saya memakai Kayaba Ultra. Harganya udah jauh naik teman-teman. Ini Kayaba Ultra ya, yang kita ganti sementara. Buat sementara ini Bilstein. Dulu kami beli ini sama si Eka, kalau nggak silap 3 juta sekian kayak 3.200.000 itu kalau saya tidak salah. Tapi kami memakai Bilstein ini udah berapa lama kira-kira? 3 tahun teman-teman saya pakai Bilstein ya, cuman kena sebelah. Padahal kalau ada barang kita bisa ganti sebelah-sebelah aja ya. Kalau ini Kayaba Ultra kami beli tadi 550. Nah, 550 teman-teman ya. Pantas kemarin saya waktu pergi ke Medan merasa tidak nyaman lagi karena udah bocor. Udah bocor nih teman-teman ya. Shocknya bagus ini kalau Bilstein. Tadi kami sudah cari-cari tidak ada teman-teman. Termasuk tadi selain Bilstein kami mencari merek Jamek, tidak ada juga. Terus merek apa tadi ya? Selain Jamek ya, banyaklah merek yang bagus kami cari untuk Dakar ataupun untuk sport ya. Tidak ada teman-teman. Udahlah, kita pasang ini aja ya.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises.